Yeah, baby.
It's been sitting a while, waiting for some love.
Silman fusion, beginning in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mr. White, Mr. Blonde, Mr. Orange, Mr. Pink. Why not Mr. Pink?
Hey everybody. Hey Jim. I know you guys aren't really all that interested in my swimming pool stuff, but today, some mornings you wake up and you just say, I gotta take the bull by the horns. You got a problem, you just gotta fix it. Look at this disaster. This is a pool equipment from hell. The heater doesn't work, the pump leaks, the filter is rusted almost completely through on the bottom. You can't backwash it anymore. So I think today, how about we put in a whole new filter? It might not be the best idea. I don't really know what I'm doing. But how hard can it be? Hey, how hard can it be? Seriously. I guess we're going to find out. Okay, so I guess step one, even though I want to just rip that old shit out of there, I probably should find a new one first. So definitely don't want to go to Leslie's Pool Supply. I know, maybe I'll search the internet. Or maybe I should maybe get one from Craigslist? I don't know. Let me find out here. Magic 8 Ball. Should I get a pool filter on Craigslist? Outlook not so good. Okay, that's probably the best advice it's ever given me. I'll have to get back to you on this. I'm going to go search the internet. Thanks, Magic 8 Ball. Okay, well, I actually got a line on a couple of possibilities. Don't really want to say what yet because I don't know what's going to work out or if I have to wait a little while to maybe go look. But wait, that's not what you do when you've got a bull by its horns. You keep moving forward. So I think it's time to maybe rip that shit out, throw it in the trash like real men. Demo. I love demolition. I know I shouldn't tear any of this out until I have a new one on hand. But you know what? I can't let time go wasting. So, yep. I'm gonna take this baby out. I'll find one. I'll find a new one. They're not that rare. So, how bad can it get? Even if it takes a couple days. I just want this gone. Ha! Honey, all that crazy stuff that I have hanging around, all the junk in the garage. Well, you should know that I just found something in the garage that we can use here. Just hanging out in my stuff in the garage is a brand new time clock in a box. So I think it might be a time to install it in place of this scary thing. Yikes. Yeah. So, all right, we're already halfway there. Next up, filter. It occurs to me that the foundation for all of this is not done. I mean, there isn't one. And the plumbing here looks like it was done by Picasso. So I think we can make all of this make a lot more sense. And it looks like this stupid ginormous heater is sitting on top of a couple of big cement pavers. So maybe we can actually use those and put the new filter actually on something, because it looks like this one is just sitting right on the ground. That would explain why it's all rusted out and the valves don't work anymore. This is some high-class installation work here. On the bright side, when we're starting out with something this bad, it sets the mark pretty low for me, because all I need to do is make it better than it was, and I call it a win. So stacking the deck here. But first, I gotta go get a taco. Whoa! 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 Bye, Porsche! Whoa! Whoa! God damn. Yummy. All right, my belly's full of tacos and I've got some tools out here, so I'm gonna have at it. Well, let's see here. That doesn't seem to be doing much. Crap. All right.
It seems clear that his awareness of what we call reality is radically underdeveloped.
Well, the tumor has been removed. Now it gets interesting. Okay, got this guy. And dug that guy out. Cut that guy off. This guy's gonna go. And that guy's gone. I can't wait. So, hooray. And my time clock, turns out the one I found is only for 110, and this is 220, so I'm going to have to go get a different time clock and do that another time. But this is moving right along. All right. In place? Yay! And then look at all of that junk. Reconstructive surgery. Gonna have to change hats for this one. I'm going in. Oh boy. Yeah. I think we can save him. Although. Channel locks. Oh. Channel locks. Channel locks. Yeah. Now that's more like it. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Surgery. Michael. A towel. Blood. Oh, thank you. Oh.
This is the story of two indispensable military surgeons.
Oh, Mrs. Swimming Pool. I have good news. We were able to save her. Oh, check it out. Oh, what do you know? No ugly ass heater. Nice new filter. All hooked up, working great. Running a nice low pressure because it's all fresh and clean. So I think for the next thing I'm going to change out that box and then put in a variable speed motor because that would probably save us a lot of electricity. So there you have it. Hey, take the bull by the horns, man. That's what I always say. Or you could just do what we did and just call the guy. I didn't do any of this. Just in case you actually thought I did. Thanks, Savas. You did an excellent job, dude. Thanks for watching. See you next time.